And Bronte during the commercial break there, I've always loved the name Piper. And we kick our birthday list off with Piper LaPlante turning the big number 2. Look at the toys in the background and she is ready to rock and roll right there. Piper, very happy birthday, and Galena.
Next, we have Cason Bots turning 11. Cason is out of Moran, and I really love that tie-dye shirt. I love all tie-dye, so it's a cool shirt.
we have an Olympic medalist on our hands right there as well.
That's
Cason,
awesome.
Congratulations, number 1. Number 2, obviously from all of us here, a very happy birthday, but man, that is awesome. Very, very few times do we get to put a medalist on our birthday list. And Cason, tremendous job, my man, tremendous job. Devin Westoff, celebrating number 15. And Devin, a little Erie track and field action right there. And getting ready to chow down, as teenagers do in Erie. And with that being said, Tucker Westoff celebrates number 26 in Erie. Now, granted, Tucker's above the age of 21, so he's allowed to have that poster behind him. Yeah, okay, just wanted to point that out. Happy birthday to the Westoffs.
All right, next we have Brittany Murphy. Brittany is turning 35. She has a happy birthday message from Ryan, Roman, Ryder, Rhinley, Raylan, and Mom.
Yep, I always love it when we get that family that has those birthdays right there.
Does Mom also have an R name, I wonder?
Yeah, they always send those birthdays in and everybody's included right there. I absolutely love it when they do that. Happy birthday, Miss Brittany. We've got Quirk. Oh, we're back. Okay. Thank you, Will. You did an awesome job with this. So, for those of you that weren't able to join us yesterday, we have the Chevley twins. And so Ellie's on the left. But Ellie, you had your day yesterday. And this is Lucy's day on the right. And yes, folks, Ellie and Lucy are twin sisters, but they actually celebrate their birthdays on different days. Ellie's birthday was June the 2nd, and today is your day, Miss Lucy. And so from all of us here, a very happy birthday to you. And I know she probably hangs that over you, that you're the youngest one. I get that, but just wait. Things will flip as you guys get older, and you're gonna tell her that you're the youngest one, and when you guys get a little bit older. But Ellie and Lucy, thank you for letting us have fun with your birthdays. We've really enjoyed it for the past couple of days.
Okay, now we're back to Kirk and Troy Crothers. They are turning 50, and these two are twins, and we have a special message for them. Yeah, if you couldn't tell by the picture.
Keep reading. I'm just enjoying the picture.
How about this year, save some awesome blossom for us?
Which I don't think is at Chili's. I think that's at Outback.
Oh, Outback.
Right.
I've never had one of those.
That's why I was laughing.
Looking forward to dinner tonight at Chili's. Love from Trent, Crotch, Sally Oates, and DeCrink.
And so the Crothers twins, Bronte and I will be catching up with you tonight at Chili's.
At Chili's, yeah.
Yeah. You guys go ahead. You guys get those reservations. Just save an extra 2 seats, and we'll be right there.
Yep.
This is a great picture. Look at their faces.
I know, and I don't remember if we said, but these two are out of Fort Scott.
That's tremendous. Chad Musgrave turning number 51. That's a man after me right there. Getting some yard work done. I love that. Chad's in Galena, and Chad, I want you to know that these happy birthday wishes come with love from your girlfriend Leanne, your family, and of course, all your friends.
We have Patty Robinson celebrating a birthday, and Patty is in Columbus.
Sherry Rattery, I'm told she's turning 40-something. It sounds good to me. Happy birthday, Sherry.
Hey, we have Milo Kellerman. Milo is one of our many 4-state heroes. And he celebrated him and his wife Janice's anniversary. And Milo is out of Iowa.
Wally Love celebrating a birthday and surrounded by his 4 sons. My goodness. Happy birthday, Wally.
We have an anniversary. We have John and Alison Clyburn. It is their 10th, yesterday was their 10th anniversary, and they are out of Galena.
TJ and Trisha Pike, they are now celebrating their 11th anniversary. Congratulations to TJ and Trisha. They are in Nevada.
We have Dale and Arona Bogner. They are celebrating their 22nd anniversary, and they're out of Parsons.
Now remember, I just talked about TJ and Trisha Pike celebrating their 11th. Well, 22 years before that, Tandy and Carmen Pike were married, and they're now celebrating their 33rd anniversary, and they're also in Nevada.
That's actually interesting that we went 11th, 22nd, and 33rd.
Right. That's pretty cool.
It is. All right, we have Michael and Carol Clyburn. They are out of Galena and celebrating their 45th anniversary.
And our own Gabe Hansen, our news and
Woo!
production assistant right now on the Wheels of Steel, aka the audio board. Gabe, a very happy birthday to you, my man. 2 turntables and a microphone up there. Keep the mics on, I'm good. I'm gonna figure out why we do not have a picture of one Chad Eddington. I will get to the bottom of this. Chad, happy birthday. Also too, I'll find you. Happy birthday, Chad. Ashley Dunbar, a happy 37th birthday. Ashley is in Oswego. And Larry Brown, celebrating number 81 in Franklin. And Larry, I want you to know this comes with love from the family. Happy birthday, happy anniversary.